Assalamualaikum and hi, Dr. Norzalina. So today I want to explain about the home experimental, which is a sound installation. So my name is Akmal Mimaznem, and my group members is Siti Nuzulaika, next Wan Nur Aliyah, and Nur Putri Erni Alisha. So next slide. So what is sound? Sound is created when something vibrate and send wave of vibration energy into our ears. So the vibration travel through the air or another medium, which is solid, liquid, or gas, to our ear. Next, the stronger the vibration, the louder the sound. The faster the vibration or the frequency, the higher the sound. So sound pollution commonly causes by the first one is from aircraft, vehicle, ship, and human. So I will pass the presentation to another presenter.
So I am Wainur Alia and I will continue with what is sound insulation. So sound insulation is a method of preventing sound wave from penetrating a space, and it is also a sound transmission loss, which is measured as the difference in decibel between incident and penetrated sound. The greater the number, the better the sound insulating capability. Next, I'll proceed with objective of the experiment. The first one is to illustrate and investigate which material absorb the sound. The second one is to illustrate and investigate the material that reflect the sound. And the last one is to determine the material that registered the greatest and the least decibel reading. Okay.
So for the result and discussion of this experiment, in this experiment we use 5 different materials, which are fabric, wood, polystyrene, paper, and metallics. All of the recorded readings have been recorded in this table, as you can see here, before reading, after reading, and also the decibel reading. So from this table, from this recorded result, we create a graph of sound insulation experiment. For the x-axis is group name, and for y-axis is decibel reading. As you can see in this graph, the highest value of decibel reading is wood, which the value is 7.8, and the least value is for metallics, which is aluminum foil with a value of 0.4. Okay, next. Alright, so for graphing analysis questions, we have 5 questions. So first, which materials registered the greatest decibel reading? So the highest value of decibel reading is wood, which has the value of 7.8 Hz. And then, which materials registered the least decibel reading? The least decibel reading is for metallic, aluminum foil, with the value of 0.4 Hz. Next question is, describe the type of materials that absorb the most sound. So in general, soft and porous material absorbing most sound. So for example, like material like wood, fabrics, and also foam. Next, describe the type of materials that did not absorb the most sound. Basically, the material that are dense, hard, and impenetrable did not absorb most sound. However, it reflects the most sound. And the last question is, what is the change of decibels between the greatest reading and the least reading? So the greatest reading is 7.8 Hz and the least reading is 0.4. So the change is 7.4 Hz. Next.
My name is Nurputri Ernie Elisha. For the conclusion of this experiment, generally soft, pliable or porous materials like cloth serve as good acoustic insulators, which is absorbing more sound, whereas dense, hard, impenetrable materials such as metals reflects the most. In a nutshell, wood is good at sound absorption because it porous with plenty of air spaces to trap sound. However, metal absorbs the least amount of sound, almost none. To absorb, the sound must interact with the surface, and roughening the surface is one way to increase the interaction and thus absorb some sound. I think that's all from us. Thank you.